watch him clock my T real quick. Look. Just look, bro. Look. Hold on. Let me start from the beginning.
Treated you like a homie. You know what I'm saying?
Watch him clock my T real quick. Look. Just look, bro. Look. Hold on. Let me start from the beginning.
Treated you like a homie. You know what I'm saying?
Just watch him clock my T real quick. Look. Just look, bro.
Oh my God. Did this grown man just say, watch another man clock my T? Deshae! Oh my God. Nigga, I can't make this up. 2025. Oh my God, nigga, my eyes is watering. I'm about to start crying. I'm shaking.
Let me start from the beginning.
Treated you like a homie. You know what I'm saying? Like a little bro in the video. But had I known you would have been getting your feelings and acting weird or something about behind a female, I would have knocked him out. I'm relentless on him. Treated you like a homie.
Like, what the fuck? He said he was gonna knock me
Oh
out,
my
bro.
God. Bro.
Yeah, I don't know what the fuck.
Is he
What
laughing?
are you talking about?
Whoa, don't beat my ass now.
Treated you like a homie. You know what I'm saying?
Hey,
Like a
stop
little
chilling, bro.
But
I
had
want no
known you
smoke.
would have been getting your feelings and acting weird or something about behind a female, I would have knocked him out. I'm relentless on him. Treated you like a homie.
Hey, bro. You gotta hit that nigga with the... Whoa, don't beat my ass now. No, I'm gonna start slobbering. Yo. Bro, is that Dub? That's the last fat nigga you wanna call. He about to instigate.
Bro said, think this about him. He said he can't wait till you back in Atlanta. Like that, right?
Why is he laughing? I think he's serious. This nigga driving with a ski mask on. This nigga Tracy a super villain.
Bro, that nigga said he was getting 15% on all them little 20B1s. No,
Bro, he laughing, and I think Aaron the plumber.
imagine you and shit.
Nigga, are you really a plumber, bro?
Yeah, I'm gonna write that nigga from the Dimitri page.
Greg.
Bro, I'm gonna get that nigga your low, bro. It's over with, bro.
He said he about to drop.
Up school, bro.
See that nigga fight now.
What?
Boxing, I know, I feel like I can get him, but fighting,
What? You said box you could win?
I've never said.
Just watch him clock my
Hey,
T real
bro. Bro. Hey, this nigga Aaron the plumber, dog. Is this nigga really even a plumber? Bro, you gotta, hey, no smoke. I don't know what you gotta do, dog. It's over with. If this nigga, bro, and then Dub, the last nigga, this nigga Dub useless, dog. This nigga useless. How you go instigate it, and you not gonna help this nigga, dog? Like, oh my God, man. And it's crazy though, cause I think he's serious. He driving around with a ski. Imagine you driving your car and you see this nigga next to you, and you like, what the fuck? You just looking over it, dog. He's serious. He's serious. He's so serious. I can't believe he's so serious. Hey, I got $3 on Deshae. I feel like he can win. Wait.